Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the essentials. Sign into your Google account and confirm a YouTube channel is active. Once done, open YouTube Create and allow camera, microphone, and storage access so the app can record and save. Prepare a short script and gather assets, shots in 16:9 or vertical 9, 16, a thumbnail idea, and a target length of 30 to 90 seconds. Now tap Create, choose New Project to start filming immediately and follow on-screen prompts. You now record and craft the video. Use multi-clip recording to capture separate scenes and lock exposure or focus when lighting is steady. After recording, trim clips and reorder segments to maintain pace. Add text overlays and transitions to clarify points. Insert background music from the app, then balance audio levels so voice is clear. Make color adjustments and enable auto-synced captions for accessibility. As you edit, preview at full speed to check continuity and rhythm before finalizing. You finish by exporting and publishing. Select the desired resolution and bitrate, then either save to your device or upload directly to YouTube Create. When uploading, craft a concise title, description, and tags that match search intent. Set visibility and schedule if needed. Once published, check the video page for playback quality and captions accuracy. If the upload fails, try switching networks, clearing the app cache, or restarting the upload on another device. These steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.